We leave you this Sunday morning in Norway, where the northern lights are all the Christmas lights you'll need.